Have you ever wondered how a company as massive and complex as Airbnb keeps everything running smoothly? How do they coordinate millions of hosts, billions of guests, and a global team of employees? How do they manage everything from developing new app features to marketing campaigns to customer support, all without getting lost in a sea of emails and spreadsheets? It's a question that gets at the heart of modern business operations. In an age of remote work, distributed teams, and lightning-fast scaling, a company's ability to manage its work is arguably as important as its product itself. And when you look at the tools that power these organizations, you start to see some interesting patterns. You see that for a lot of the world's most innovative and successful companies, the answer to that question is often the same. And that answer is, in large part, Asana. So, does Airbnb use Asana? The short answer is yes, they absolutely do. But the more compelling question is how they use it. It's not just a simple matter of a company adopting a project management tool. It's about how a platform like Asana becomes the central nervous system for an organization, enabling a level of clarity, collaboration, and accountability that would be impossible otherwise. Let's dive into some of the specific ways a company like Airbnb leverages Asana. We're not just talking about a single team using it for a simple to-do list. We're talking about an enterprise-wide deployment that touches almost every facet of the business. Think about the marketing team. A company like Airbnb is constantly running campaigns, creating content, and engaging with its community. Before a tool like Asana, this would have been a mess of different documents, emails, and chat messages. But with Asana, they can centralize all of their campaign management. They can create a project to track a new ad campaign, assigning tasks to different team members, one person for creative, another for copywriting, another for media buying. They can set deadlines, attach files, and have all communication about that specific campaign live in one place. They can even create an editorial calendar to manage all their content, filtering it by persona, theme, or content type. This gives them a strategic, proactive approach to marketing, rather than constantly reacting to last-minute requests. Now, let's consider the product and engineering teams. These are the people building the app and the website. Their work is incredibly complex, involving multiple stages from ideation and design to development, testing, and launch. Asana provides a framework for this entire process. They can use it to track product launches, coordinating tasks and timelines to keep every launch on schedule. They can manage all of their project intake requests, using Asana forms to automatically capture, prioritize, and assign new work. This ensures that every team member knows exactly what they're working on and how it contributes to the larger company goals. And this is where we get to one of Asana's most powerful features: connecting work to goals. For a company of Airbnb's size, it's easy for individual employees to feel disconnected from the big picture. They might be working on a small feature or a minor bug fix, and it's not always clear how that work helps the company as a whole. But Asana allows them to link specific projects and tasks directly to company-wide goals. As teams make progress on their projects, the progress of the company's goals is automatically updated. This creates a single source of truth for everyone, from an intern to an executive, and helps everyone see how their daily work ladders up to the company's strategic initiatives. This level of transparency and alignment is a game changer. It helps to spot potential blockers in real time. If a team is falling behind on a project that's critical for a major company goal, managers can see it immediately and take action. It also promotes a culture of accountability. When a task is assigned to you, it's clear that you are responsible for it, and the entire team can see its status. This is a far cry from the old way of doing things, where a request could get lost in a cluttered email inbox or a forgotten spreadsheet. But the real magic happens when you look at how these different departments, from marketing to engineering to HR, interact with each other. Before Asana, these cross-functional projects would have been a nightmare. An engineering team might need a design asset from the creative team, and the creative team might need copy from the marketing team, all of which would be tracked in different places. With Asana, it's all unified. A task can be assigned across different teams, creating a seamless workflow. The creative team can create a task for a new ad design and assign it to a marketing team member for review. The whole process is centralized and transparent. This is the power of a platform that acts as a single pane of glass for all work. It breaks down departmental silos and creates a shared understanding of what needs to be done. This is especially important for a company like Airbnb, which operates on a global scale. With teams in different time zones and different countries, a centralized platform is essential for keeping everyone on the same page and ensuring that the work is getting done. And Asana's value to a company like Airbnb isn't just about projects. It's also about managing operations. Think about things like employee onboarding. They can create a standardized Asana template for new hires, with a list of tasks for the first week, links to important documents, and introductions to key team members. This ensures that every new employee has a consistent and effective onboarding experience, helping them get up to speed quickly. It's about scaling processes, not just projects. So, when you ask if Airbnb uses Asana, the answer isn't just a simple yes. It's a yes that reveals a deeper truth about how modern, large-scale companies operate. It's about leveraging technology to create clarity, drive collaboration, and connect every individual's work to the company's biggest goals. It's about moving from a reactive, chaotic way of working to a proactive, strategic one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.